industrial world is facing a new revolution. In the Industrial Era 4.0, various intelligent technologies play an important role in this change. International investors are interested in ASEAN countries as the potential base for their production and exports worldwide. The good software technology will be a part in supporting and elevating the manufacturing industry to increase its potential and efficiency. So, it has become essential in the Industrial 4.0 era. Q.Soft is a product and service of manufacturing enterprise resource planning, ERP, and manufacturing supply chain management, SCM. With the expertise in system planning for industrial plants or manufacturers and over 20 years of continuous experience in product development for factories. As a result, there is the integration of skills, knowledge, and expertise in both digital skill and manufacturing standard operation within Q.Soft, which serves like a brain to process all enterprise-related matters, including planning and monitoring every production process, product delivery planning, outsourcing, raw material planning, and capabilities of rescheduling, cost calculation, direct material cost, direct labor cost, overhead cost, and profit determination. Upon changes in customer requirements or production line issues, these capabilities were developed and improved to ensure effective solutions for enterprises. It was developed by Thai people with over 10,000 corporate users. The highlights of Q.Soft are the ability to take orders from and command the machines via PLC. Also, it can be connected to other software via application programming interface so that it could be integrated with any existing enterprise resource planning software.
สามารถลดขั้นตอนในการวางแผนผลิตนะคะแล้วก็สามารถตรวจสอบงานที่อยู่ในสายการผลิตได้ว่าอยู่ในจุดไหนเพราะว่าจะเป็นข้อมูลแบบ real time ทั้งหมดนะคะว่าอยู่ใน process ไหน
Q.Soft considers digital technology services and innovations that could be publicly accessible, affordable, and capable of improving life quality and marketing. Moreover, it should be able to be exported to other ASEAN countries to replace foreign software products and services. On the opportunity to expand the solutions for the global supply chain, the market for software supply chains will likely grow. While the market share of leading software is lower, there is an increase in regional software for supply chain management. It is the opportunity for software from ASEAN countries to grow and for the region's enterprises to use locally made software with high potential and ability to answer local needs.